Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial we will see what is the difference between store procedure and SQL function. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is that we will see what are the differences between the store procedure and SQL Server user defined function. So this is also one of the widely asked interview question in SQL Server, that what is the difference between a store procedure and a SQL UDF. So we have already discussed about the store procedure and UDF in the previous videos, and today we will see what is the difference between them. So the first difference between the store procedure and the SQL function is that the store procedure can have the input and output parameters. However, the SQL function can have only the input parameter. It cannot have the output parameter. The second major difference between a store procedure and a function is that the store procedure can call the function. However, the SQL function cannot call the store procedure. The next difference between two is that the store procedure cannot be called from a select query. However, the SQL function can be called from a select statement. The next difference between two of them is that you can use the transactions inside the store procedures, like we have the begin transaction, commit transaction, or the rollback transaction. So we can use the transactions inside the store procedure. However, the transactions cannot be used inside the SQL functions. The next difference between them is that we can do the exception handling using the try and catch blocks, like begin try and try, begin catch and catch blocks in the store procedure. However, the exception handling cannot be done inside the SQL functions. The next difference between two is that in store procedure it is not necessary to return a value. So if you have the output parameter, then you can return a value. Otherwise, it's not necessary that you can return a value. However, the SQL function must always return a value. So the last difference that we will see today is that all DML queries like insert, delete, update, they are supported inside the store procedures. However, in SQL functions, we cannot use the DML queries like insert, delete, and update. You can only do the select queries inside the SQL functions. Yes, so these are the major differences between two of them, and stay tuned to see more videos on SQL Server and SSIS. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.